Your car might look clean but hidden dirt, clutter, and tiny mistakes could be ruining your drive every single day. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, where we uncover the coolest car gadgets on Amazon that actually make driving easier, smarter, and way more comfortable. Some of these fix problems you didn't even realize you had, and one of them completely transforms your car. Ever struggled to clean the inside of your windshield without twisting your arm like crazy? It looks simple until streaks and fog ruin your view at the worst moment. This windshield cleaning tool fixes that instantly. The extendable handle and pivoting head reach deep corners with zero effort. Just swipe, and the microfiber pad lifts dirt and moisture fast. But here's the part most drivers don't expect: it works on mirrors, screens, even at home. One tool, crystal clear visibility everywhere. Ever noticed how crumbs and dust somehow hide in the tightest spots of your car? You clean, but it never feels truly clean. This cordless vacuum changes that fast. With a powerful suction and a rotating head, it digs into gaps, corners, and under seats with ease. The built-in LED even reveals dirt you didn't know existed. And here's where it gets interesting: it comes with multiple brushes for both delicate screens and stubborn debris. It's not just cleaning, it's detailing your car like a pro. Ever opened your trunk and everything just slides around like a mess? Groceries tip over, tools get lost, and it only gets worse on sharp turns. This trunk organizer fixes that instantly. With multiple compartments, you can separate everything, from food to cables, and keep it locked in place. No more chaos every time you drive. But here's the unexpected part: it comes with a detachable cooler bag that keeps drinks cold for hours. Organization is nice, but this turns your trunk into a smart storage system. So far, which one would you actually use, the windshield cleaner or the mini vacuum? Or would you skip both? Drop your answer below, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next gadgets get even better. Ever tried eating or working in your car and instantly regretted it? Spills, awkward angles, it's just not designed for that. This 2-in-1 card tray changes everything. Hook it onto your steering wheel or the back seat, and you get a stable surface in seconds. Perfect for meals, laptops, or quick notes on the go. But here's what makes it smarter: you can adjust the height and angle for comfort. It's like turning your car into a mini office or dining table, whenever you need it. Ever been stuck on a long drive craving a hot coffee but there's nowhere to stop? Cold drinks just don't hit the same. This portable car kettle fixes that fast. Plug it into your car, and it heats water while you drive. Perfect for coffee, tea, or even baby formula on the go. But here's the twist: it has built-in magnetic stirring. That means your drink mixes itself automatically. No shaking, no mess. Just hot, perfectly blended drinks anywhere. Why does your car still feel freezing even after you turn on the heater? Those first few minutes can be the most uncomfortable part of any winter drive. This heated car blanket solves that instantly. Just plug it into your car's socket, and it starts warming up within minutes, wrapping you in soft, steady heat while you drive. And here's what makes it even better: you can switch between heat levels depending on how cold it gets. It's not just comfort, it's a quick backup when the cold hits hardest. So what do you think? Are these actually useful, or just nice to have? Which one would you buy, and which one would you skip? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe, because the next gadgets take things to a whole new level. Why is it so hard to get real sleep during a road trip in your car? Seats feel cramped, uneven, and you wake up more tired than before. This SUV Air Mattress fixes that fast. Just plug it into your car and inflate it within minutes, turning your back seat into a flat, comfortable bed. Perfect for camping or long drives. And here's the surprising part: it fits most cars and folds away compactly after use. It's not just for sleep, it completely changes how you travel. Ever lost control of your car on a slippery road and felt that instant panic? Snow and ice can turn a normal drive into a dangerous situation fast. These tire chains give you grip when it matters most. Just install them in minutes, and the metal spikes bite into snow and ice, keeping your car stable and moving forward. But here's what makes them essential: you can store them easily and use them anytime in emergencies. It's not just traction, it's confidence when the road turns unpredictable. Where do you hide your valuables when you leave your car? Glove boxes are easy targets and smash and grab theft happens fast. This center console lock box adds real protection. It installs inside your console and locks with a secure code, keeping your phone, wallet, or even a firearm out of reach. But here's the key detail: it's made of reinforced steel and bolts into place, so it can't just be pulled out. It's not just storage, it's peace of mind every time you park. Up to this point, which gadget actually feels like a must-have for you? Would you go for comfort, safety, or something smarter? Tell me your pick in the comments, and subscribe now, because the next ones get seriously high-tech. Where do all your small items go while driving? Keys, cards, sunglasses, they disappear or slide around constantly. This hidden organizer solves that cleanly. It installs right under your screen, creating a concealed space that keeps everything in place without cluttering your dashboard. But here's the clever part: it blends perfectly with your interior and stays completely invisible when closed. It's not just storage, it keeps your car looking minimal and distraction-free. Ever noticed your phone getting hot and charging painfully slow while driving? That's when navigation, music, everything starts lagging. This MagSafe car charger fixes that instantly. Snap your phone on, and it locks in place while delivering ultra-fast wireless charging during your drive. But here's where it gets interesting: it has a built-in cooling system that keeps your phone temperature low, so charging stays fast the entire time. It's not just charging, it's performance without slowdown. What if your car could instantly feel like a brand new smart vehicle? No upgrades, no complicated installation, just plug and go. This portable CarPlay screen does exactly that. It adds a large touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can navigate, call, and control music hands-free. But here's the real upgrade: it also includes a 4K dash cam and a backup camera for safer driving. It's not just a screen, it's a full smart driving system in one device. Now this is getting serious: which one would you actually upgrade your car with? The smart screen, the charger, or something earlier? Comment your pick below, and subscribe, because the final gadgets might surprise you. Ever wondered what really happens around your car when you're not there? Accidents, scratches, they happen fast, and you're left with no proof. This dual 4K dash cam changes that completely. It records both front and rear in ultra-clear detail, even at night, capturing everything while you drive or park. But here's the powerful part: it uses AI motion detection and can even send alerts remotely. It's not just recording, it's watching your car 24/7 when you can. How do you charge your EV when the nearest station just isn't compatible? That stress hits fast, especially on long trips. This Tesla to CCS adapter solves it instantly. Plug it in, and suddenly you unlock access to thousands of Tesla superchargers, charging your car much faster than standard stations. But here's the real advantage: it delivers ultra-fast charging that can add serious range in minutes. It's not just an adapter, it removes charging anxiety completely. What happens when your car battery suddenly dies and you're stuck with no warning? It's one of those problems you never think about, until it's too late. This onboard battery charger prevents that completely. It monitors and charges your battery automatically, keeping it healthy whether you drive daily or leave your car parked. But here's the hidden power: it can even revive deeply drained batteries that seem completely dead. It's not just maintenance, it's a backup plan that saves you from being stranded. Where do you keep your car truly safe from dust, scratches, and moisture? A garage helps, but it's never perfect. This inflatable car bubble takes protection to another level. Set it up in minutes, and your car sits inside a sealed, transparent chamber with constant airflow to keep it dry and clean. But here's the wow factor: it literally turns your car into a showroom display while protecting it from damage. It's not just storage, it's premium protection you can actually see. Simple gadgets, but they completely change how you drive. Which one would you actually use? Comment below and subscribe for more.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.